Hello everyone and welcome to a new BLOOCK tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you how to prepare your data to send records to BLOOCK platform. So I just have a little code right here already done for you, just showing up how to construct the record instances from our SDK. So basically there are four main ways to construct your records using your data. The first one is using a string value as it showed in here. Basically it takes a string as a parameter and it just generates the record from within. The second way to generate the records is from a hex string. You just put a hex string as an argument and it just generates a record as well. The third one is actually from an actual hash, which is the value that actually a record generates from inside. And basically it's a string using the algorithm of KCAC256, and you just paste it in the hex format and it just generates the record using this hash value. And the fourth and last one is from an object, which you just put as a parameter a JSON object, and you just put whatever argument you want, and we will generate the record from this object. So basically, if I execute this code that we have right here, it's going to show what the actual hash generates from each record. That is what we send to BLOOCK in order to aggregate all this data and send it to the blockchain. So here we have it. For each one of the constructor, it actually generates a hash, and we can share it like here, right here, that the hash that actually gets generated. So in this way, you can generate your records using your data and actually send it to the blockchain using BLOOCK. So this is all for this video. I hope you like it, and make sure to follow us on LinkedIn and visit our webpage for more. See you soon.